Have you ever attended a training class and then realized that it's months, if not in some cases years later, before you actually get to use that technology in your own environment? Well, that's a problem that a lot of people have, including ourselves, whenever we attend classes, that we're now solving with something called the Pragmatic Works Hackathon. So Brian, tell them what a hackathon is.
So as you mentioned, Devin, we've been a victim ourselves of the same kind of problem. We learn a theory, and we don't get to actually apply that theory for months.
Yeah.
So we wanted to find a way to make it where you can use your own data for our training. So we spent a day or two training with our data at Pragmatic Works Labs and getting your hands dirty that way. And then after that, we build a prototype in small groups with your own data. So not only are you going to learn how to do, the technology, but you'll also learn how to do technology inside of your environment with your data. So you'll leave with a perfectly functional prototype of it.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a good point there, of course, is we're not trying to put something into production this time, during that time period, but we want to get you a nice prototype that's ready to go that you can learn more from over time.
Right, it's more about the education and less about the work product in that case.
Exactly.
And getting your hands really, really dirty. So what kind of applications can we use this with?
Yeah, so really anything Microsoft data related, so Microsoft Power Platform included. We can do PowerApps, Power BI, Flow, but we can also touch on things like Microsoft BI and more the enterprise level. So that'd be SSIS, ISRS, as well as Microsoft data services within Azure. So if you're working with things like ADF or anything Azure data related, we can help you with that as well. If we deliver a course on the topic, then we can also do a hackathon on the topic.
That's awesome. So if you're interested in that and want to start discussing how we can apply this in your company, check out our website. You'll find the link down below, or you can also schedule time with myself to kind of plan out your first session. Have a great day.